Welcome everybody. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all that. All right, right here. I had some tile. You can see like it was checkered, and I put a red guard on it because it was glass. So now that the red guard's on it, it's like a little rough surface. Now I can apply some new tile to it instead of ripping it off the wall or cutting the sheetrock. I didn't want to do all that, so I have all this right here. Okay, follow me. And I got this side right here. I still want to get granite. I got a sample right here. This is a sample of the granite right there. I was thinking about getting it. See that? I see I got these colors in it, right? Or I could use this. I'm kind of undecisive on what I want to use. I text my sister. She said she ain't feeling the beige. The black is more upscale, so I think I'm wrong with the black. You can see that, right? Penny tile. I recently painted the cabinets, so I'm gonna go with this and put some gray grout in it. Almost like a grout, like the color of the walls, just to give some type of light to it so it won't just be black. And like I said, eventually I want to use this type of granite. And that'll be like, you know, going down there, coming along. So, I'll get back to you once I start. And we're gonna see how it's gonna come along. I did this years ago, about 10 years ago. Time to change that up now. All right, got this side done. Still need some grout. All right, still need some grout. But I like the way it came out. I'm on this side now. I'm short some tile, so I'm about to stop. I only got one piece left. And we're gonna see how this rock out. Tomorrow, should have the rest of the tile grout. But the outlet comes back on, we should have a finished product. Okay, right here you can see me grouting. The part I hate most for the job is grouting and cleaning up all the grout. As you see, anytime you use any type of tile like this, mosaic, especially with a whole bunch of gaps, holes, you're gonna need a lot of grout. I'm telling you that off rip. There's plenty of holes you have to fill. But it wasn't too bad. My dad stopped by, helped me out. Kind of wiping all the excess off. Had to wipe about 10, 15 times, no lie. It's just so much excess you have to get off the wall. But at the end, you can see it looks amazing. Penny tile kind of messes with your eyes when you're looking at it, when you're moving the camera. But I'm pretty pleased on how it came out. Now for any tips or anything, just call me. Hit me in my comments, should I say. D&D's Home Improvement. You can follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.